So top tip for a smooth finish after doing a crotch repair with the fuse patch and having vertical stitching method to blend in and reinforce the crotch. So that's the other side. So what I do, this has not been taught to me, this is something I have discovered, to remove the hardness and the bristle after you've been making all that repair, like so. What I do, I use a tea light candle because it is slightly softer. So what you do, you rub it onto the overlocking, on the stitches. What this will do, it will smoothen out everything after you have removed all the threads and the lumps after you've been doing all that repair repeated line. I usually use this to remove the excess and the lumps, and also this. But after that, what I do, I use the tea light candle, rub it all around, and then press it on with a pressing cloth. What this will do, it just seems to smoothen the surface and softens the thread and soften everything actually without any damage, and it's just blended into the cloth, and it just feels so much softer. And that's what you want, because this is an area where you don't want any scratching. So there you go. This is a top tip for those denim, for the denim lovers. Let me just do the other side. And that is all she wrote, folks. I only do this on denim because, like you see, after the wax rubbing, it's nothing. It's nothing there. Smooth and soft. So there you go, top tip from a fellow tailor.